In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link in Microsoft Word on mobile. If you're using Microsoft Word on your phone and want to add a link to a web page, website, or another online resource, you can easily do it directly from the Word mobile app. First, open Microsoft Word on your mobile device and open the document where you want to insert the link. You can use an existing document or create a new one. Once your document is open, tap in the area where you want the link to appear. You can either type the text that you want to turn into a clickable link, or you can select text that is already in your document. For example, you can type a phrase such as "visit our website." Once the text is ready, select the text by tapping and holding on it, then adjust the selection handles until the entire phrase is highlighted. Next, look at the toolbar in Microsoft Word. Depending on the size of your screen, you may need to open the additional formatting options to find the link option. Look for the option called Link. Tap on it to open the link settings. You will now see a field where you can enter the web address that you want to connect to the selected text. Enter the website address carefully, making sure that the address is correct. Once you have entered the web address, confirm the link. Microsoft Word will then add the link to the selected text. The text may now appear with different formatting, such as an underline, to indicate that it contains a link. When you tap the link, Word can open the associated web page. You can use this same method for different types of links. For example, you can add a link to a website, an online article, a reference page, or another web resource that you want readers to access. If you need to change the link later, select the linked text and use the available link options to edit or update the web address. Before finishing, check the link to make sure the address is correct and that it points to the page you want your readers to visit. And that's how you can insert a link in Microsoft Word using your mobile phone. The process is simple, and once you know where the link option is located, you can quickly add clickable links to your documents whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,